In this video, I'm going to teach you how to generate QR code on Surveymonkey. In order to do this, first head over to the URL, which is surveymonkey.com. From in there, you can choose to get started for free by clicking onto this, and from in there, you should be able to sign up. You can also use the sign up free option. Now, if you already have an account like I did, make sure to click onto this login option that we can see right here. So here is my actual homepage. I have in here this survey right there. Now, from in there, we can actually just share the survey. You can click on these three dots, preview, or send this. For example, let's head over and click on share. Or you can also just click on the send survey option. So in here, you can choose in here to collect responses. And in here, we have in this. So we have in here more ways to send. So you should be able to find in here the option for an actual QR code. If you don't have it right here, what you can do is you can just choose in here the web link or share a link option and then click on this right here in order to get this. So once you have the actual URL for this part, what you can do is you can head over and then get the auto-generated QR code option. Now, if you want, you can also head over to a new tab, or if you don't want the page, you can search in here for QR code generator. And then in here, choose in here which one you want. I'll choose in here this first one. Then from in there, it should be able to generate me a QR code. So for example, let's get in here our survey. And then in this part, you just need to input right here your actual URL. Let's choose in here this URL option. Enter in here the code. And then after that, we have in here now our actual QR. Just proceed to download it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.